We've been saving and cutting off some of the stems and letting them completely dry out.
I'm just going to continue to pinch and take these off and put them in the seed packet. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. We're going to collect our Cosmos flower seeds today, and we're going to show you how to do that.
Yeah, we're excited to save these. We've got a couple different cultivars we'll show you. But before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video. So we wanted to start off by showing you the supplies we have and the types of Cosmos we have. But actually, there's a little bit of a hiccup in that department. So if you look right here, we've been saving and cutting off some of the stems and letting them completely dry out. So the problem is, we didn't really keep a really good track of which Cosmo was which. And we actually have more, so we will be able to do a better job of that in the future. But these Cosmos that are all dried out are a blend of either cupcake white or candy stripe, both of which we really highly recommend because they're gorgeous. So in addition to the flowers, again, we have these little seed packets that we got on Amazon, and they are a great resource for collecting and categorizing all your seeds. So we'll link this down below because you might need something like this. We also have this cool box that it's like a photo box. We have, I think, what 3 or 4 of these now? And we just use them. They're perfect size for seed packets. You've probably seen us talk about these before. So we will link all of these supplies down below in case you want to get your hands on some of this stuff right now as well.
So with all that, we're going to get into actually harvesting these seeds, collecting these seeds. Looking down here, we've got some flower heads here. Some are going to be viable for seeds that we're going to collect, and some are not because they actually got wet or something else is going on with them, and they're just going to be not viable seeds. Before you actually start harvesting and collecting your seeds, make sure you write down on the seed packet the information, so you're not writing on the seed packet when it's already full of seeds. It makes it a little weird, and it's harder to write. So we've got our seed packet open. Let's grab our first flower head here, and what you can see is you can see these black pieces right here. These are actually seeds, along with some of these other lighter colored ones, but all these are seeds on this flower head. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to pinch it, take them like this, and then just come right off. And you can see some fell off. You can see there's some seeds right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and just put them down in there. And you see those down there? So we're just going to continue to pinch and take these off and put them in the seed packet. Maybe this is a better way to do it right here. Just lay it down, just put them on the end there, and then you can really see that. So I think we've pretty much gotten, we've pretty much gotten all the seed off of this head. This is what the head looks like. There's kind of a center to it, and then there's these sepals underneath, part of the flower underneath the petals. Those are remnants. You don't need to harvest those. And so, so that one's done. We're going to put that off to the side. So here's another one. Now this one got a little wet maybe, but we're going to pinch it anyway and see what we come up with. Let's do this and check it out. Let's see what's going on here. I don't think this one, nope. Still some color left in it. It just got wet and it got kind of mashed together. So this isn't going to be something we're going to keep. We're going to put these off to the side. More than likely, these aren't ready to save at all. So we're just going to throw those off to the side. So we're going to go in here, and I think this one might be okay. Yeah, there's a couple seeds on that one. That's good. We'll just grab those off the side there. This was not a mushy one. It was a dried head. It's a dried seed head. So there you go. See, there's some seeds in there. Pretty cool. We're going to collect those. So something to keep in mind is each flower is going to have its own amount of seeds that it's going to be able to provide you. It's going to vary. Not all flowers are created equal. And so the amount of seeds you get from each flower head will be different. Just so something to keep in mind. So we get the mother load here. Wow, look at that. You've probably noticed already, guys, that there's some variation in the seed size, and some of these are larger, some of these are darker, some of these are thinner, some are wider. These ones are some of the bigger ones here. Look at all those. Now the dark ones are what we're looking for. These other pieces are just kind of a part of the flower, part of the seeds coming off, and they're not going to be viable for anything. There's nothing in those. It's just like a papery substance. So, but it's not going to hurt anything either to have them in with the seeds to store them for next year until we sow them and have all new plants. Look at all that.
How many seed heads did we just, I wasn't keeping track.
Probably about 7 or so, at least.
Guys, that's
yeah.
That's got to be a couple hundred.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. Yep, so yeah, wow. Pretty cool.
So we have hundreds of new Cosmo plants to grow next year, and we're going to be sharing some of these seeds, especially with one of our friends over in New Jersey. So we're going to get these ready to ship over to her.
So leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yep, that's a wrap, and we'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, so come on back to see what plant we're highlighting, and have a great day ahead, everybody.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.